So step 1 is open search and type manage advanced sharing setting. Click on it and expand private networks. Now turn network discovery on, turn file and printer sharing is on, expand public networks and turn both the option is on. Now expand all networks, keep 128-bit encryption is on, turn password protected sharing on or off is up to your choice. Now step 2 is find the folder with the issue, right click on properties, then go to the security tab, click edit and then OK. Now type everyone, then click check names and then click to OK. Now select everyone, tick full control and then apply to OK. Step 3 is go to the sharing tab and share and go to the share, type everyone and click and add. Set permission level to read, write, click on share, then done, then close. Now restart your computer to take change effect.